Hello guys, welcome to Men's TV. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell to get notification whenever I upload new contents.
So, in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a platform where you earn income by working online. You earn by completing tasks. It's not a cryptocurrency mining platform. So you first register an account by entering your phone number, image code, and password. Do well to enter your WhatsApp number as well. After registering an account, you see the home, task, VIP, team and me at the bottom of the page. After registering is a successful account, you will be given 2 USDT as sign-up bonus. Go to personal information and set your fund password. Defined password should be 6 digits. After adding your fund password, tap on Submit to confirm. Go to detailed information and enter your email and shipping address. After filling the address, tap on Submit. Go to bank card and bind your USDT and Momo address. Go to the bottom of the page and tap on VIP. From there, you could see VIP 0 to VIP 5.
For VIP 0, recharge 5 USDT and get 0.2 USDT daily. VIP 1, if you recharge 15 USDT, you earn 0.6 USDT daily, and for VIP 3, you get 2 USDT when you recharge 50 USDT.
Go to the home page and tap on Recharge. Then you select Balance Recharge. You choose Balance Recharge if you want to recharge with your own amount. Select your recharge channel and enter the amount you want to recharge. So I will go to Binance to recharge. Recharge what you can afford. Do well to choose TRC20 as your network when recharging the USDT. After withdrawing from Binance, go to Transaction History. Copy your TX ID and take screenshot of payment. Upload payment screenshots and enter TX ID. Recharge what you can afford. Tap on Submit to submit payment. Wait for 2 minutes and refresh page to see if payment has reflected. Go to VIP and buy VIP if you have deposited less than 15 USDT. Go to the home page and choose any of the offer at Task Hall. Tap on any of the products to complete the task. Go to the home page and repeat the same process. The number of tasks you do depends on your level of VIP. If you buy any of the VIP, do well to complete the daily task to earn daily. Go to Me and tap on Withdrawal. Choose your withdrawal channel, enter amount to withdraw and your fund password. Tap on Submit when done. The platform also charges 5% withdrawal fee, and withdrawal reflects within 24 hours.
You can withdraw from Monday to Friday.
I have received a mail from Binance about the withdrawal, so I will check my Binance account to see if it has reflected.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it to your friends.